Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes for a Deel to bank transfer to go through. I know that this is a question that a lot of people have been asking, so I'm excited to finally be able to answer it for you. What is Deel? Before we get started, let's take a quick look at what Deel is. Deel is a global payroll and HR platform that helps businesses hire and pay employees in over 150 countries. One of the many benefits of using Deel is that it makes it easy to transfer money to employees in different countries. However, there can be some delays in the transfer process. How long does a Deel to bank transfer take? The amount of time it takes for a Deel to bank transfer to go through depends on a number of factors, including the country that the money is being sent to, the bank that the money is being sent to, the currency that the money is being sent in, the amount of money that is being sent. In general, it takes 1 to 3 business days for a Deel to bank transfer to go through. However, in some cases, it can take up to 5 business days. Tips for speeding up the transfer process. There are a few things that you can do to help speed up the transfer process. Make sure that all of the information that you provide is correct. Use the correct currency and amount. Send the money during business hours. Follow up with Deel if you have any questions or concerns. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any other questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.